This 2009 Volkswagen Routan is brought to you by Autolinx Motors. Clean title, local BC, well-maintained, power sliding door, powerful engine, very good condition passenger van. Take advantage of our unbeatable prices. Please visit our website for more information and pictures, www.autolinxmotors.com, or call us at 604-526-9889. Our toll-free number, 1-888-254-4324, up to 3 years warranty available, $450 documentation fee and %12 tax to be applied, DL number 40177. Visit us at autolinxmotors.com.